Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about citric acid, which is most available in lemon and orange. Citric acid plays several important roles in the human body, primarily through its involvement in the citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle or TCA cycle. Here's a summary of its key functions. 1. Energy production. Citric acid is a central component of the citric acid cycle, which takes place in the mitochondria of cells. This cycle is crucial for aerobic respiration, the process by which cells generate energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate (ATP). During the cycle, citric acid is formed by the condensation of acetyl-CoA with oxaloacetate and then metabolized to release energy, which is captured in high-energy molecules like ATP, NAD, and FADH2. 2. Metabolism. The citric acid cycle also plays a significant role in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. By providing intermediates for the synthesis of amino acids and other biomolecules, it integrates various metabolic pathways. 3. Regulation of acidity. Citric acid can help regulate the pH balance in the body. It acts as a weak organic acid, and its salts, citrates, are involved in buffering systems that maintain the acid-base balance in blood and tissues. 4. Antioxidant properties. Citric acid has antioxidant properties that help protect cells from oxidative damage by neutralizing free radicals. Enhancement of mineral absorption. Citric acid can enhance the absorption of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc in the digestive tract. This can be beneficial for bone health and overall mineral balance in the body. 6. Detoxification. By aiding in the elimination of metabolic waste products and toxins, citric acid helps maintain cellular health and function. It can chelate certain metal ions, assisting in the detoxification processes. Overall, citric acid is vital for maintaining energy production, metabolic balance, and various physiological functions in the human body. Foods rich in citric acid are often fruits and vegetables, particularly citrus fruits. Here are some of the top sources. Citrus fruits. Lemons, one of the highest sources of citric acid. Limes, similar to lemons in citric acid content. Oranges contain significant amounts of citric acid. Grapefruits, another good source among citrus fruits. Tangerines provide a moderate amount of citric acid. There is no established recommended daily allowance (RDA) or daily value (DV) for citric acid because it is not considered an essential nutrient in the diet like vitamins and minerals. Citric acid is naturally present in many fruits and vegetables, particularly citrus fruits, and is also added to foods and beverages as a preservative and flavor enhancer. The average consumption of citric acid through diet is generally considered safe. However, for individuals consuming it in supplement form. 1. Natural sources. Consuming citric acid from natural sources like fruits and vegetables is generally safe and beneficial. 2. Food additives. When used as a food additive, the levels of citric acid are regulated and considered safe by food safety authorities such as the FDA and EFSA. 3. Supplements. If taking citric acid supplements, it's best to follow the dosage recommendations provided on the product label or by a healthcare professional. For individuals who might be concerned about excessive intake, particularly from supplements or processed foods, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider. Excessive consumption can potentially cause gastrointestinal discomfort or erosion of tooth enamel due to its acidic nature. In general, a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables should provide an adequate amount of citric acid without the need for specific monitoring. Applications and uses. Citric acid is widely used in the food and beverage industry as a flavoring agent, preservative, and acidulant. It is also used in pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and cleaning products due to its chelating and pH regulating properties. The history of citric acid is rich and spans several centuries. Here are key points in its development. Ancient knowledge: citric acid has been used since ancient times, with citrus fruits like lemons and limes being valued for their sour taste and medicinal properties. However,